Alright guys, I am going to sleep overnight in the Katowice airport. So if you are doing that, make sure you stay tuned because I don't fully know what's going to happen. My flight is departing at 6:30 in the morning. I'm actually going to Moldova. I know, crazy, right? So we'll see what that is like. Will I be able to get some sleep? Where will I even be able to get some sleep? Will I be able to sleep landside, which is pre-security, airside, which is after security? I was looking on the website like sleepingairports.com and I wasn't really getting any helpful answers because I don't know, I guess not many people have posted about it on the website. But the thing is though is that this airport is very active. Like literally, of course it's open 24 hours, which I'm shocked at how many flights are leaving out of here where there's like nothing to do in the city. Well, Krakow is just an hour from here, but I mean flights going out 1, 2, 3, 4 in the morning, and it's like multiple of them between now. It's like midnight now, and when my flight goes out at like 6:30, there's like 20 something flights, which yeah, that's something. So maybe I'll be able to get through security now. Let's hope. Let's see this. The whole reason why I'm just going to stay overnight in the airport is because in this city that has nothing, for some reason, all the hotels, even the hostels, are ridiculously expensive for tonight specifically. Like hostels are going for 120 euros plus. It makes no sense. Last night they were going for like 30. But last night I just stayed at the Moxy Airport hotel, which is like ridiculously nice, which is right over my shoulder. Yeah, I don't know what's up with it tonight. And the regular hotels are like 200, so it's like an economic decision like that. It's actually unbelievable that the airport is as busy as it is in the middle of the night. And like when I landed last night, it was literally 3 a.m. and I had to wait an hour going through customs, which was crazy. I don't understand why this is all so packed for a city of only 250,000 people and a city that tourists don't really come to. Why is this actually genuinely packed? Alright, well, I walked up to try to go through security and the lady said when she saw my ticket 3 hours 50 minutes before, which is a random time. My flight leaves at 6:30, meaning 2:40 is when I could enter. It's now just after midnight, so I have about 2 hours 40 minutes. So it's loud, it's noisy. I don't know where I'm going to sleep until then. Like you see right, that's a bad shot, you can't see. That's like a slightly better shot. This place is packed right now. It's, oh my god, I don't know if I'm going to be able to sleep. I want to explore Moldova tomorrow, but oh, okay, let's see where I can go. Let's see, because there's no seats down here. Oh, maybe there are seats like in the arrivals area. Let's check that. All right, there's definitely no spots up here where you're allowed to lie down. There's a cafe over there. Uh-oh. Is there seats down there? It doesn't look like it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, this is just entering through security now. Oh. Okay, like there were so much less people in arrivals, and I found a nice little spot that I'm gonna camp out on right here. Maybe I can get, honestly my goal before like 2:40 when the gates let me in is to get maybe like, honestly just like 30 minutes of sleep beforehand, and then maybe like 30 minutes of sleep when I'm inside. That's an hour, and then maybe an hour more on my hour 45-minute flight. That'll give me at least something. I can work on 2 hours of sleep. I can go 2 straight days of 2 hours of sleep, and I will be fine. Like 2 hours on one night, 2 hours on another night, but then after that I will absolutely crash. Last night I had like 6.5, but it was broken up into one big piece of 6, and I was like a half hour before. Okay, so just hanging out. Come to the arrivals section if you want to sleep in the airport, clearly. Okay, so here's the update. I am trying to fall asleep, and it's still kind of like flat like that. Let's see if I can get sleep. The temperature drops very, very quickly, so I am very cold, but I have my sweatshirt and sweatpants, so bring something warm.